Hello everyone, my name is Caitlin and welcome to our channel. And if you've seen our videos before, welcome back. Our channel is filled with cake, cupcake, cookie, and candy making videos. We are a baking, decorating, and candy making supply store, so we will also post new videos when we get new products in store. If you want to see all of the products that we offer, click the link in the description. Today we will be making St. Patrick's Rice Krispie Pops. Let's get into the video.
Start by melting white candy coating in the microwave using 30-second intervals until the chocolate is mostly melted. Be sure to stir the chocolate between each interval. Once the candy coating is melted, set it to the side for the next step. Unwrap pre-made Rice Krispie treats or prepare your own. Use a 3 to 4 inch rectangle cutter to cut out the Rice Krispie Pops. Be sure to cut them out as close as possible to get the most out of your sheet of Rice Krispies. Once all of the pops are cut out, dip the end of a popsicle stick into the melted coating, then push into the Rice Krispie Pop. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. This will make for easy cleanup later. Dip the top half of each Rice Krispie Pop into the white coating and place on the parchment. If the candy coating is too thick, add 2 to 4 tablespoons of Paramount crystals, then microwave for 30 seconds and stir well. When dipping these treats, scrape the bottom side and top of the pop on the side of the bowl to remove excess chocolate and prevent the chocolate from pooling around the pop when setting up. Once all of the pops have been dipped, fill a small tipless bag with some of the melted white coating and set to the side. Add a quarter to half a cup of green candy coating to the white coating. Stir, then microwave for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Be sure to stir the chocolate well so that the color is even throughout. Fill a small tipless bag with this melted light green coating and a final tipless bag with the dark green coating. Now that the chocolate on the Rice Krispie Pops is set, remove them from the parchment and arrange so that they have enough space between them for drizzling. Drizzle 1 Rice Krispie Pop with 2 colors of chocolate, then immediately add a sprinkle mix. Repeat this for all of the Rice Krispie Pops. Finish these off by adding some white edible glitter to each pop.
Thank you for watching our video, and if you want to make these Rice Krispie Pops yourself, check out the link in the description. That will take you to our website, and link below that photo are all the products that we used in this video. Don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. Be sure to comment and let us know your thoughts on this video, as well as any other projects you would like us to create. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook at Country Kitchen Sweetheart to stay updated on our new products, sales, and holiday items. See you next time!